Hi, my name is Steve Wilson from the Lion and the Rose here in Asheville, North Carolina. I'm also the resident beer maker here at the inn, and today we're going to be making cinnamon streusel French toast. First thing I'm going to do is cut the edges off the toast here, or off the bread, and make them into nice uniform rectangle shapes so they fit inside the baking dish. Okay, next I'm going to mix up the brown sugar cinnamon topping mix that's going to go on the French toast before we bake it. Okay, we got a third cup of brown sugar. I'm going to put about a half teaspoon of cinnamon in there. And put a little bit of nutmeg in there. And go ahead and whisk that up together. Alright, next we're going to make the dip for the French toast. We use about a cup and a half of half and half. Okay, I think we're going to use 3 eggs and mix that in there to make our dip for the bread. We're going to mix that up real good. Alright, next we're going to spray down our baking dish with some no stick. Make sure it don't stick very much when we get it out of the oven. So. Give it a good coat. And now we're going to take our first layer and we're going to dip it inside our mixture here. Put it in the pan, spread them out. Go ahead and get 4 in here. Uh-oh. Then we're going to take some more butter here. We got some melted butter we did earlier. And we can sprinkle on our first layer of mix here. Take a few almonds. Okay. Now we can take the rest of the melted butter here and we're going to spread it on the second layer. This is supposed to help the coating stick a little better, and butter tastes good too. And I'm going to take the rest of our mix here, coat it on there. And finally, we're just going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 25-30 minutes until it puffs up, and we'll be ready to serve it. And now our breakfast is ready to be served, and we'll be serving it with a couple strips of bacon on the side.